Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to hide friend suggestion on Facebook. Okay, you can remove friend suggestion notification, and you can also hide upcoming friend suggestion on your Facebook app. So I'm going to show you how you can do this. So let's start with the video. So guys, before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's go on my mobile screen. So guys, here on my I'm on my Android phone. So let me open the Facebook application. So if I go on this notification icon, bell icon, so here I can see I got the friend suggestion. If I want to remove this, I need to just click on three line option, and I can simply remove from here. And if you don't want to see friend suggestion, if you want to disable friend suggestion notification on Facebook, so there is a one option you can use. Go to the three line option and go to the setting over here and tab on setting. Okay, go to the okay, so go to the setting and privacy. Oh my god, I just log out, 1 second. Okay, click on setting and privacy, and now click on tab settings, and just scroll down, and here you can see the preference option. Under preference option you will see the notification, just tap on it. After that you will see the all notification option which you can disable. So you can see you can disable comments option, whatever. So here, if you want to off suggestion friend suggestion on Facebook, that you have to go on here, click on it, and from here it is open now. Yeah, just off this. Okay, it is by default on. You have to off this, so Facebook will not suggest you the friend suggestion. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.